Olá, galerinha do meu canal, bem-vindos a mais um vídeo. Hoje aqui é um vídeo porque lançou o novo Brawler LOL, essa skin dele e a Max. E então, galera, a gente tá vendo aqui essa skin da Max também. E eu vou ir no jogo agora ver se atualizou. Bom, galera, esse Brawler não tá na loja. Na loja não tá ainda no perfil pra gente testar. Então eu vou deixar aí com o Brawl Talk pra vocês verem.
Holiday Getaway. It's Brawl Pass Season 4.
Ryan, there's no time for songs because we have Brawl Talk.
Let's go! Brawl Pass Season 4 is called Holiday Getaway.
Takes me to the chromatic brawler Lou.
Lou is the newest brawler. He's the third member of Gale and Mr. P's trio. He is a happy robotic snow cone machine.
So for his main attack, he throws snow cones. Every time he hits the enemy gets a snow cone mark. If the enemy gets a certain number of snow cone marks, the enemy gets frozen for some seconds.
His super is throwing cold syrup all over the ground that makes it super slippery for enemy brawlers.
And two important changes for the chromatic brawler. So now you can only find it in box when you hit tier 30 in the pass. And also when you find it, it affects your drop rate chances like any other brawler.
And don't forget, collect your Season 1 rewards before Season 4 starts, otherwise we're going to auto-collect them for you.
Now for the Brawl Pass skins, we are getting Bellhop Mike, which will be helping Mr. P around the Snowfell.
Então, galera, eu deixei a parte que eles explicaram do novo Brawler. Então, se vocês gostaram, já deixa um like e tchau!